Are we live?
Yes.
Okay. No, no, get it? No. I can't open my. You got it? Oh, yeah, I take it. Oh, no, I got it. You take it, I take it. I got it. Oh, no, I got it. Never. Oh.
How do you feel?
Hurt my eyes.
Yeah?
I feel free. I can see now. I can see now. I can see now. I can see. I can see now. No, 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 no. You ain't talking to me like that. Huh? I don't think so. Hi. So, what I like, my hobbies are, I like to play video games. Really, I also like to play with Android phones. Sometimes I drive down the street in a big gray van as just little kitties that help me find my puppy dog. If they don't like puppy dogs, I offer them candy. I have a freezer in my van and it's full of ice cream. It's old ice cream.
What is it?
Old ice cream. And then, once I get them kitties in there, I have them make me sweaters. Yep, sweaters, because I like sweaters. Some people ask, do you ever harm those kids? I say I never do such a thing. Sometimes they think I look freaky. I don't know why. Because I ain't freaky. I just like the way sweaters look from the imagination of a younger child person. Yeah, I said child person. Also, I am a huge fan of Leave It to Beaver. And of that other show where they whistle all the time. Andy Griffith, that's it. Have you ever seen that one movie with can I do a retake? Okay.
Do take two.
Take two.
Take three.
It's hard to make me smile.
Why?
I think I'm missing my funny bone. Everybody's born with one, but I ain't. I wipe my elbow and stuff just to see if it hurts. It tingles down my arm and it doesn't.
What does that have to do with your smile?
Because I'm missing
Try smiling.
Dang it, wrote character.
I thought you could smile.
617.
And 18.
That's my smile.
What is?
Are you zooming in on it?
Yeah.
Alright. I have nice teeth. When I was growing up.
Smile.
If you weren't smiling up back there, I wouldn't smile. You gotta stop smiling.
I can't do your face.
Is this an interview or what?
Yeah.
Are you gonna ask me questions or am I gonna sit here and talk about it?
What do you want to do?
How about you ask me questions? I'm out of idea.
Huh?
I'm out of idea. Drop smile.
Have you ever had a seizure?
I had a couple of those pizzas once.
Not Caesar.
Oh,
Seizure.
no.
Why not?
Dang hell.
You're not healthy?
Dang.
Oh.
Seizures.
What are you doing?
I'm just doing what I said I'd do.
What'd you say you'd do?
Do this interview.
Why?
'Cause I ain't got a thing to do.
You drooling?
No, my mouth gets wet.
Do you want to keep going or you want to say bye?
Oh, can I say something to my family?
Yes.
I wish I hadn't killed y'all. Would never mind attention. You gotta understand though. What you did to me growing up. Feed me that seafood salad. That hurt. Y'all messed up my digestive tract. Make me breathe heavy. I'm sorry for what I did though. I kinda just went into sling way mode for a second there because I love that movie because it reminds me of me when I was a kid. Either way, God bless America.